I'm Brett Higgins, and you are going beyond the photograph. Hey everyone, welcome to my studio for the day. I made it all the way up to Hideout Cave or Shamans Cave. The road wasn't bad coming up here at all, except for this last couple miles, but made it no problem. It's just a slow crawl all the way up. But man, what a view. Check this out. The most common way to get to Hideout Cave is off 89A in Sedona and take Forest Road 525. I found a different route through the Tuzigoot Monument Entrance in Clarkdale because the adventure is the best part of photography. It took me about 45 minutes to go this way. You can either park here and hike up, or if you have a four-wheel drive, you can continue up to the trailhead. This is the worst part of the road. I was in 4 low and had to engage my a-trac to crawl over this part. Gotta love Toyota's a-trac. park here at the trailhead, and the trail is just a short hike to the cave, and head straight down from the parking area, then straight back up to the cave. Definitely have to be in good shape for this hike. Well, if you're carrying 25 pounds of gear. There's a lot of confusing ways the trail splits off. Just keep climbing up. The cave is towards the top of the mountain. Well, I got a little lost. I ended up on a shelf down there, but it actually gave me a nice viewpoint of those nice colorful mountains back there. So I got a picture of those. But there it is, the cave. And I'm the only one here. Well, definitely worth it. Come up here. It's been an adventure. Nice acoustics in here. I don't know. I think somebody carved this window out. It was probably smaller at one point, but maybe not. Hard to tell. I'm not a geologist. All right, so what I'm going to try to do is take 360-degree images all in here so that you at home can tour this cave right on YouTube. So I better do that before anybody shows up. All right, I brought my Insta360 camera. So I'm just going to kind of put it around here and take images and stitch them all together later. There is a link below to a separate video for you to tour this cave. I've never done this before, but I brought a Godox flash. So what I'm going to do is put this in the dark cave, and then it's nice light out there. It's almost sunset, so it'll balance out the light. I'm going to just put it right in the middle of the cave. We'll see what happens. By adding flash to the ambient light, you can expose for highlights, and the flash will help fill in the dark part of the cave, so you retain detail in the shaded areas. The other thing I brought special for this trip was my 14 to 30 millimeter wide angle lens, just to make sure I can capture everything inside this cave. It's a big cave. It's pretty neat. The mosquitoes are freaking huge in here. It's almost sunset and they're attacking me. I don't know how somebody lived in here. It's time to get out of here. Get out, get them dirty. Hope to see you out capturing the elements. Gotta just take one last look. This place is so cool. I could hide out here, except for the mosquitoes. I'm just walking back to the car and it's super windy. I can see why someone built on that side of the mountain, because there was no wind. Pretty interesting. A lot of mosquitoes, no wind.